funny that we jacked it up the first night to see underneath. And now we're doing the same thing. We're seeing what we can take off on the lift before we take everything else out. Right, so that's the fucking hole you can see inside. And the other one is here. Look at that. Jesus. Yeah, they're the two major shite areas. Be interesting to see when it gets blasted what's left of the car. Another reason why I brought it up like this is because this is all going to get blasted very soon. So we will see what's left of the car. It's going to radically change. We put one of Paddy's featured these stickers off Speed Hunters there, and what's funny is he actually featured the car for Speed Hunters then literally 2 weeks after we put this up.
So anyone, that's the trick. Put this on your car.
Put this on the bottom of your car and your car will get featured on Speed Hunters. That was the one we were like, oh yeah, that's your what's called sensor. That just goes to fucking...
What the hell?
What is going on there? So we're going to start here now. We're going to take off the exhaust. That's at least one piece of misery. Mangle.
This is fun.
This is fun.
Should be alright.
Got the gloves.
It's gonna maybe gush a little bit, so... How much did you put in it?
I don't know. The load's still in it.
Just a bit.
Ooh. Oh. So. Oh, that's a lot of fuel, man. Oh no. Whoa, it's starting to overflow. Oh shit. I'm actually soaked. See, I thought the car was spluttering because it was running out of fuel. Look how much fucking fuel was still in the tank. Jesus Christ, man.
She was definitely eating today. Ah, it's raining fucking money.
Great. Dinosaur semen everywhere. 25 litres of fucking fuel. Well, we're going to take out the gearbox on Flip's lift because it's nice and easy that we have the lift. We're going to take out the driving stuff and then we're going to bring it over to the other shed and then we're going to take out the engine and then we're going to start just stripping the rest of the car. Last time you're going to have a front mount, buddy. Goodbye supercharger. How is it?
Good, yeah. What the fuck are you doing?
Stripping the car to a bare shell.
You're leaving her the same colour, lad.
Oh, lad, don't touch it.
Don't paint it, lad.
Lad, it's original the way it is, man. What is so...
Fucking spun me around, man.
Pull it off.
Don't forget, next time, before you put the shaft in, take out that tissue.
Yeah, take the tissue out, otherwise...
Next week.
Ruined.
I'm not gonna actually, why would I light it? We're just relax.
lads.
It's just a lighter.
Oh,
Yeah, it's dangerous. I'm not gonna do something dangerous.
oh my god! Like a bit of naked flame in a petrol tank.
Yeah. Now you're getting more.
Yeah, I should have seen how much petrol was here earlier.
Oh shit.
It's not here now.
It's in that fucking thing there, is it? I was wondering, right?
Like the bulbs are wired up to the fuel tank. So we dropped the tank, panhard rod off, and then out. So we're doing no more here. We're gonna put all this shit in the car. V-mount, rear-mounted intercooler, bolt collections. Just well, because we took everything out there, we have to push it to the other shed. What? You can just ram it.
Yeah.
Buff it there.
Go off the bumper. Like that.
Yeah, there you go. And it's nice smooth transaction there as well.
More power, Flip. Yeah, more power. Run over you if you fall to check.
Oh, that's
More power, more power. Ruben, hit the brake. Don't hit the brake.
Ruben. He's gone. He's gone. Whoa! Ruben's is asleep.
What?
Ruben, you tip the brakes if I say tip the brakes. No, don't listen to me. When have I ever been wrong? Go, Flip. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Hit the brakes.
You're steering away from him.
Ruben, brakes.
This is an important part.
Yeah, go on, we're going over.
I'm not going. I'm stretching out further.
Whoa! Have we made it? It's the last time we'll ever see that little guy make his funny little fucking.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Goodbye, nice.
Junk over this side.
There you go.
I was just like, he's got a call into this now.
There you go. It's fucking you out. Stairs there, like.
Just fucking hang around with him.
Yeah, he does, yeah.
Trueno, no one.
Draining the fluid, which is just water. Fair busy over here, isn't it?
Yeah, really.
Fairly messy, like. Forever up, lad.
Full throttle now. I got that fan going.
Yeah, you did. And now we're pulling it out. This pipe is aggressive. Ooh. Wow. Whoa. What's next?
Some oil in your hair. Go ahead.
Ah, man.
I'm lost.
Yeah. VTech, man.
VTech.
You're just in time.
What the fuck are you doing,
Like
lads?
a snapping bowl.
Oh my goodness.
That's not for it.
There's an ECU.
Fucking hangers.
Actually,
He's grabbing something else here. Supercharger misery. I see a little tear. Whoa. Shall I leave it down there right in the way of everything?
That's the shot.
That's the best place for it, like. Wow. Not nice anymore, is it?
No, it is. Still nice.
It's still nice. Still nice. We'll keep that.
So yeah, Neil's gone to get drinks in the shop and we're going to take out the engine and he's going to be sickened because he thinks he didn't get it on film. What's that?
I forgot to disconnect the steering rack. You did. Going fucking wrong out there. Wrong.
Go.
Neil.
Any sign of Neil?
Oh, you're there.
Pull it out now if you can. Lift the back of the box. What did you think all along that you didn't have it on video?
Fuck. That's mad. The right job for.
Yeah, wouldn't it be?
Get our just fired up there now. Go there. Scoldy skull.
I like that.
How happy are you?
Oh man, ecstatic.
Probably you want to show me. Leave the
Sound as a trout. There you are. Yeah, look, there was spiders living and everything. Now it's just the shell. It happened so quick. As you can see here, we've fucking made short work of this. Yen. That's
I
the.
reckon there's something broken inside my gearbox. Remember we broke the drive shaft trying to do a burnout in third gear. We had a slight problem. Went for third, lad. Yeah, we broke the drive shaft, put a new shaft in it, and then realised slight bang noise. And I actually broke my gearbox at the same time, so I think we locked up the gearbox exploded, drive shaft exploded, another fucking gearbox.
Yeah.
Mom, scrap.
What the fuck is that? It's like a fucking minstrel.
Insert porn sound.
Love snapping bolts. Every fucking bolt snaps when I take it off. Another one snap.
What happened there, Neil?
Just another bolt snap.
Fucking starter motor.
Kicky, kicky.
I feel like there's one more.
Ooh.
Fucking winner.
Just tip this a bit on its side.
Oh.
Right. As we said the last time, we're enjoying the comments. Thanks for all the nonsense. A lot of people are asking why we're not making videos every week. I've said it before, I'll say it again.
Because you're a lazy bastard.
'Cause I'm
That's
a
why-
lazy bastard.
That's the truth. Hello.
Well, it's not really. I don't have time to do it. A total waste there.
Hi.
Yeah, we appreciate what you said.
The feedback,
The
comments.
feedback, the comments.
Yeah, we're actually glad people are looking at the comments.
Yeah, we enjoy
You
it. It's
enjoy
funny. We
People enjoy the fucking nonsense.
people wanted to see more cars from around the shed. Yeah, maybe we'll ask. Oh Jesus Christ! There's lots more to come.
If you have any more questions, he'd be happy to answer them. Like and subscribe.
Jesus fucking.
And there'll be another video in another 2 weeks.
Yeah. The videos are a couple of months behind, as you probably know, so we didn't want to reveal too much with the car and stuff. But yeah, they're about 3 months behind. You're wondering what's going on. So there's actually
3
lots of
months.
stuff after happening. Let us know if you liked it. Again, comment, do all the shy. Enjoy.
Thanks. Tell your friends
Tell your 2 friends
if you
actually.
like the videos.
Yeah. See you.
Thanks, guys.
See you tomorrow, lads.